Hi folks, Jason here at Leisure Time Sales, taking a look today at a 2020 Passport GT series. This is a 2870 RL floor plan, so we got a nice rear living setup on this unit. We're just around 6,900 pounds, a couple of great towing features on this unit. You've got a big pass-through storage here. You do have solar on board, so you can see your solar charge controllers here, so you can get a little bit of off-grid power into your batteries. You also have power leveling jacks, which is a nice feature to have when you get to where you're going and you want to have yourself all set up and ready to go. The pass-through storage, super useful to get some stuff stored in there. You've got 30-pound tanks on the outside as well as a power tongue jack. It's going to give you a nice setup when you get off the back of your truck and ready to camp. Just taking a look at the step above steps makes it nice and easy to get in and out of the unit. Got two awnings on this one at the front, one on the slide out. Step above steps make it nice and easy to get in, as well as this nice boat grab handle. Take a look inside. You can see the rear living floor plan here. Pull-out couch at the back. You've got a freestanding dinette, table and chairs, which is a nice touch. Comfortable recliners directly across from the TV and the fireplace. End table storage here. You've got plugs on the wall there as well, so you can keep your devices charged. A little bit of storage over top. Wrap around windows, as well as windows on both ends of the slide box. Really brighten things up on the inside. Take a look at the kitchen area. Nice big pantry space here. All kinds of room to bring stuff along with you when you're traveling. Solid state countertops is a nice touch too. 3-burner cooktop over top of the oven. All kinds of storage. Microwave above. Stepping back, you see the island kitchen has a high-rise faucet. Again, all kinds of storage here as well. You've got your coffee bar here too, which is a nice touch. There's all kinds of storage there. You've got a spot to set up a blender or a coffee maker. Storage above. 12-volt fridge. Gives you all kinds of space inside. Again, you can get yourself set up with some groceries for some long-term camping. Take a look at the front of the coach here. Main bedroom space. Closets on either side. Storage above. Good shelves here. Room for anything you want to keep by your bedside. You've got both standard and USB charging stations. You've also got a wardrobe closet here. Gives you some options to keep some additional clothing with you on board for those chilly nights. Windows on either side of the coach round things out to keep things nice and fresh in the bedroom. Take a look at the washroom facilities. Good sized shower with a skylight gives you that extra height. Foot flush toilet. Some good storage here. Got a medicine cabinet and some storage below the sink. Rounds things out. Folks, this has been a look at the 2020 Passport 2870 RL here on the lot at Leisure Time Sales in Quispamsis. This has been Jason reminding you that from the showroom to the campground, I've got you covered.